This automatic nail carton packing machine is designed to help fastener manufacturers improve packaging efficiency and reduce labor costs. This machine is specially developed for nail factories and hardware manufacturers. It can automatically complete nail counting, weighing filling, and carton packaging processes, making your production line faster and more stable. Here you can see the whole working process. Nails are automatically aligned into the packing system, accurately measured, and filled into cartons. The machine works continually, slide with high precision, ensuring every package has consistent weight and quality. Compared with traditional manual packing, this automatic solution can greatly reduce labor requirements and improve production efficiency. It also helps factories achieve cleaner, more standardized packaging for different nail sizes and packaging requirements. This machine is widely used in nail factories, hardware manufacturers, construction material suppliers, and fastener production lines. Whether you produce common nails, concrete nails, roofing nails, or other fasteners, this packing solution can be customized according to your needs. If you are looking for an automatic nail packaging solution for your factory, contact us for more information. We provide complete fastener machinery solutions with professional, technical support and global service. Automatic nail packing solution.